Case number 2015-CA.002701-B. Plaintiff John Banks versus Cook Unknown. Maybe AJ Cook from Criminal Minds. Case number 2015-CA.002992-B. This is another case. Case number 205-CA.002972-B. Plaintiff John Banks versus Thompson Unknown. Civil actions case number 2015-CA.003796-B. Plaintiff John Banks versus Dorothy Heights Post Office, the U.S. Post Office, with Darby, Beyonce, and Dorothy Dandruff, who's stealing mail so that 10 people can get killed by the court fraud murderers. These are the D.C. courts. They're killing people for relief sought. Case number 2015-CA.003714-B. John Banks versus Father McKinnon Senate, the defendant. Father McKinnon Senate Inc. They're Michael Jackson. They rolled up here with DC Mayor. They're watching a piracy movie of the people who raped Aaron Strickland so that they can kill Aaron Strickland at the DC Health and Brain Health in order to obtain the relief sought in the court. Stealing the church inheritance and the family inheritance of Aaron Strickland. All right, here we go. Case number 2015-CA.002969-B. Plaintiff John Banks versus defendant Reverend Cook. I think that may have been AJ Cook. They got the cameras in the Central Union Mission, and they were doing like some very piracy stuff. They were actually using people in place of the people that they were going to fill in later. And they were just doing slavery across federal recollected state lines. I'll tell you about it later. They had like a djinn from every land, from every race on earth, and they were going to 15 states trying to forge a slave case in their name and kill everybody for the house inheritance. They brought in some criminal mind casts, personators at FBI, so they can actually do the murders. They're the court fraud murderers. Case number 2015-CA.002931-B. John Banks versus Social Security Administration. Social Security Administration gave the murder money to contract killer Mike Livingston and hitman BB Jennifer to kill everybody in the house. They were ordered by Obama, Trump, Biden, and Harris to do so. This is these reports. They also provided Social Security cards. The most that you can get is 10, so that they can kill Aaron Stripling for his identity and have their own paraplegics with blood and prosthetics using his Social Security card in international areas. They're doing murder. They're stealing people's inheritance. They're killing them for their identities. Plaintiff John Banks versus defendant Central Union Mission. Case number 2015-CA-002924-B. Case number 2015-CA-004018-B. This is John Banks versus Central Union Mission. Filing date. Then you got Milton, you got Odell, you got Tawana. I guess they were trying to make it appear as though Tawana was Aaron Stripling's mother, and that they were going to kill Aaron Stripling right here under that Metropolitan phone post camera. And right there, they were killing Chantel Stokes. Chantel Renee Pervo, Lonnie Stokes, Jean Pierre at 1324 Mariposa Street, Rodale, California. With the hitman, the actual Federal Bureau of Investigations is the actual hitman that's doing the murder. And they're actually killing this person for their house inheritance. All right, so this is Plaintiff Aaron William Stripling versus Joe Biden et al. Case number 2023-CAB-000978. You got defendants Bam Bank Ltd on it. Joe Biden is the defendant. James Comey is defendant. Robert Conti 3 is the defendant. GameTheater.com is defendant. Kamala Harris is a defendant. Eric Holder is a defendant. David Johnson is a defendant. Kathy Lanier is a defendant. Microsoft Theater is a defendant. Robert Miller is a defendant. Nashon Peter is a defendant. Barack Obama's Peter Nashon is a defendant. Barack Obama's defendant. John G. Roberts Jr. is a defendant. Jeff Sessions is a defendant. Squatter is a defendant. Donald John Trump is a defendant. U.S. Attorney's Office is a defendant. Christopher Wray is a defendant. These are just defendants in the case. In that case. Case number 2016-CA-009107-B. Aaron Stripling versus FBI. And this is the case right here. You got the defendant Metropolitan Police Department. You got the defendant FBI. You got the defendant FBI Police Gardner, which is impersonating the Central Intelligence